if all
Yeah.
we can get is that greeting where you're touching just below the breastbone in that very powerful, energetic,
Yeah.
physiologically centered part of the solar plexus, and
Right.
then that second point just to the left of that big bone, which we've been told has a lot to do with what they call the vagus nerve and the whole
Yeah.
connection of the whole body, and
Yes.
then even just being able to get to A of the headset. And now we add Kenna's research that shows just by doing the headset, the whole frontal orbital cortex goes into coherence. So what if that coherence is happening during as they're getting ready for that transition?
Well, yeah, what if? I mean, why not?
Right, right. It just
Maybe that's where the peace comes from, the
yes,
coherency in the brain that maybe says everything's okay,
right.
everything's all right, you know?
Yes. So we're not giving you answers, folks. This is
No,
not about anything that we know.
no,
These are our
we don't
experiences,
know.
right? We don't know. But we do know that it's simple to do,
Yeah,
that those who have applied it have found a great sense of peace and well being and
yeah,
connection with their loved ones, during this what is usually a very difficult time,
right.
and very chaotic and
Yeah,
very, it just brings a sense of calm,
yeah.
coherence. It brings a coherence.
Coherence. I think that's a really important thing to note here for those who are fortunate and honored enough to be with their loved one or someone you're caregiving for. That at that time, you get to participate
Yes,
in that journey
yes,
with them. You're not standing over or sitting in a chair somewhere, just having vigilantly just waiting for. You are stepping in and actually being able to do something.